Alright guys, it's no secret that when you are running a business, lead generation can be incredibly difficult. So today we're going to be comparing two tools that you can use with your business to generate absolutely ridiculous amounts of leads, okay? So let's just jump in with this, starting with Apollo.io. So first up, we have Apollo.io. This is a pretty cool tool. I have actually stopped using this now because I've found this other tool to be just a lot better, more efficient. But we can see here that this is generally an email outreach tool, okay? So if you generate leads, which you can do on this platform, right? So you would generate leads on the platform, you would then outreach to those emails all in one place, which is pretty cool as a feature, but I'm going to explain to you why I don't use it currently. As you can see here, after generating leads for doctors, you can see that I have 152,000 emails that I can contact. That sounds pretty good, and it looks pretty good on paper, okay? But what we will see here is that it's actually not that great because they're going to limit how many of these leads and how many of these emails you can contact and how many you can export to contact on other platforms, right? Because I like to use other platforms, more efficient platforms for my outreach, okay? So I will generate leads in one place and then I will export those leads and then contact them in another place. What we're seeing here is they're trying to keep you in-house, but they are limiting what you can do and they're making you pay more for a feature that I can get cheaper on another site and more effectively on another site. So yeah, something that I don't like about this platform, but we will go in and look at the prices here anyway. We can see the free price here, so the $0 price, it's 120 exports per year. That's nothing, okay? Every business should really be contacting over, I would say, 100,000 leads per year, really, okay? So as we can see here, the free option isn't really worth it. The basic option is $50 per month, so we're looking at over $500 per year, okay? And you get 12,000 exports per year. Again, not really hitting that 100,000 threshold that we're looking for when we are looking at a product. Now, the professional one is slightly better, but again, it's kind of misleading because you're going to be paying annually and it's a subscription. So yes, you're also going to get 24,000 leads per year on this thing. A little bit better, but not anywhere near what we're looking for to maximally scale our business. So the next tool I'm going to talk to you guys about is called the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper. This tool is literally, it's a one-time payment, no fees, no recurring costs, right? A one-time payment Google extension, and you can have this running all day generating leads for your business. The way this works is very, very simple, okay? What it is, as I said, is an extension. You would open that extension and then you would type in what you want. We'll show you how to do this in a minute, but just for reference here, these are the prices, super cheap compared to what we were seeing before, like $900, $500 was the previous one, okay? This is a lifetime thing and it's just far cheap, half the price in essence. So yeah, you're gonna get lots of different data from this thing. It runs incredibly quickly, so let's just jump in and really demonstrate that. So if we were generating leads manually, okay, so I have people on outreach that this is how I used to do it, okay? Type in plumbers in San Diego, go onto Google Maps, see what comes up, get me all the emails, I'll contact them. That used to be the way to do it, right? This is incredibly slow, and this is why scrapers are fantastic. Yeah, this is how you would do it normally. Now, with the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper, it's completely different. It's actually way more efficient, 100x, 1000x times more efficient, and I'm going to explain why. So this is what it looks like. All you're going to do here is basically type in what you want. So again, plumbers in San Diego. You can actually type multiple things here, and it will just go down the list automatically. But we can see here, plumbers in San Diego, press start, it's going to automatically open Google Maps. It's then going to go through all of these businesses on Google Maps in San Diego, okay, and then it's just going to get all those leads into one place, right? It's going to download those leads into one place, and you can then export those leads into a CSV file. CSV file is basically like a G sheet, right? Or you could download it in kind of a Microsoft Excel format if you so wish. We're going to do the same thing here with electricians. I'm going to press start on that, let this thing run. As you can see, it is running automatically, and it is fantastic, okay? It's generating leads just very, very quickly, and if we leave this thing running, it's going to generate ridiculous amounts of leads. We're talking hundreds, we're talking thousands of leads from this thing. And then after you've pressed export, you're going to open up Excel or G Sheets, right? You're going to get this thing, open it, and you're going to just look at all of the leads you've got, okay? So we can see, this is more of a specific search, but you can do wider searches across countries or even multiple states here very, very easily. It's going to generate thousands and thousands of leads, okay? You're going to get emails, you're going to get contact numbers, as you can see here, and you're going to get socials as well as that, right? We didn't see that with the previous platform. Even though that platform is all about outreach, they don't really give you the socials. So this is something that is just massively better in my opinion. Okay, it's way more efficient, it just does the job, and it does it incredibly fast. And again, there are no limits here. There are no limits on how many leads you can get. And as we said, Lead Sniper is a one-time payment, no subscriptions, no recurring costs, okay? This is a one-time lifetime payment with unlimited leads. You don't get locked in and have to pay more to contact those leads, okay? You can export those leads, bring them over to what platform you would like to use, and then contact those leads accordingly. If we are looking at the pricing here, it does seem like a 3-digit pricing thing, but if you're contacting thousands of leads, okay, we're talking about hundreds of thousands of leads per year with this tool, okay, then what you're going to get here is a very, very good deal, okay? And the reason for that is, yes, if you close 1 or 2 of these leads, all right, you've already made your money back and more, okay? So the starter package, you're going to get 1 license key, okay, and you're going to get lifetime access to unlimited leads. Again, no subscription fees, no limits, okay? Bring those leads wherever you want, and they've got a dedicated support team to help you if you do have any questions, all right? Also, they do have lifetime updates, right? So I bought this thing when it was a little bit less efficient, a little bit slower, but still worked pretty good. And then they brought out an update, and I got that update free, and now it works even better because of these subscriptions, right? So it's lifetime updates to this thing as well. And what I use is the more popular subscription, which is 5 installations. 5 installations is fantastic, and the reason for that is you can open up multiple browsers and then search basically at 5 times the speed, which is fantastic, right? So you could put in all of these different things into different browsers, press start on all of them, and you're going to be generating leads 5 times as fast. That's great, okay? If you are a bit of a bigger business, or you've got like 5 members of staff, something like this, then you could give them 2 of these license keys each, have them running 2 browsers, and then from that point, yes, they're just going to be generating ridiculous amounts of leads for your business, right? So hopefully this has been an informative video for you guys. I would definitely pick Lead Sniper over that other one, Apollo IO. Lead Sniper, Google Maps Scraper to be specific. This thing is ridiculous. Definitely check this out in the description. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day.